I call Kanwaljit Singh Bakshi.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. To speak on the second reading of this Taxation, KiwiSaver Home Starter and Remedial Matters Bill. I stand in support of this bill, Mr. Speaker. This national-led government has been working towards improving the lifestyle of New Zealanders. We remain committed to providing support and security to those who are most vulnerable. Mr. Speaker, there are many young New Zealanders who are looking towards buying their first home. Sir, let me clarify that there is no silver bullet which can fix long outstanding problem of housing. We in government understand these challenges faced by the prospective buyers. Labour policy to build 10,000 houses per annum was totally rejected last elections. We want to reduce the pressure of accumulating heavy deposit for their first home buyers. Towards reducing the pressure faced by first home buyers, Mr. Speaker, we have introduced this legislation. This bill will allow members of KiwiSaver to withdraw all their KiwiSaver savings except the 1,000 Kickstart contribution by the government. This means that more and more New Zealanders will be motivated to buy their first home as part from withdrawing their own and employers' contribution. They will now be allowed to withdraw members' tax credit to their KiwiSaver account. Mr. Speaker, under this policy, KiwiSaver first home deposit will be renamed KiwiSaver Home Start, where determined and hardworking home buyers will be able to access their savings. An eligible couple would now be able to access up to a maximum of $20,000 deposit for their newly built home in addition to their savings. Mr. Speaker, apart from assisting prospective buyers with money to buy their first home, this national-led government has been working towards increasing the supply of housing as well as and particularly in Auckland. We all know that the supply of affordable housing for people living in Auckland has been a pressing issue. We are currently trying to increase the supply of both new and affordable housing in this area. Under the national-led government, we have been able to achieve highest number of consents in Auckland last month that showed an increase of 11% from January 2014. Without doubt, it is indeed a tremendous growth. However, I doubt whether the naysayers in opposition feel the same way. Mr. Speaker, each of us is faced by a set of challenges. Some are small, some are not too small. It is what we do about these challenges that define us as a human being. As an example of our hard work and determination that has ensured the transformation of South Island's most valued city of Christchurch. The public-private partnership can now build new homes on council and government-owned lands as we have passed Housing Accord, starting from Auckland, Tauranga, Wellington, Western Bay of Plenty to Christchurch and Queenstown. Mr. Speaker, it is also positive to note that the house prices limit for Home Start and Welcome Home loans will be $550,000 in Auckland, $450,000 in Wellington, and $350,000 for the rest of the country. National is also aiming to reduce the number of people waiting for social housing and want to lead the Kiwi families to their path of success. Apart from assisting families to get their first home, the government has also set up a number of other initiatives. With these words, I commend this bill to the House.
I call Todd Barclay, 5-minute split call, National.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.